Hello again. A bright day across northern parts of the UK, albeit with a few showers for the far north of Scotland and a strong wind. That wind because an area of low pressure is moving away, high pressure towards the southwest, and this squeeze in the isobars for the far north of Scotland will lead to some fairly gusty winds at times. Otherwise, the wind in the north bringing colder air to the far north of Scotland, but mild air pushing into southern parts of the UK and a cold front drifting south. That's bringing fairly largely cloudy skies and some outbreaks of light rain and drizzle for parts of Wales into western England at times. However, for many places it's a dry day, but a blustery day in northern parts of the UK, the wind bouncing over the hills of northern England and Scotland, and 55 to 65 mile per hour wind gusts possible for exposed parts of Caithness, Sutherland, Orkney, and of course following the storms at the weekend that could cause some ongoing issues, so yellow warning in force. Feeling cold in that wind in the north, but much milder further south, 12 or 13 Celsius, even with the cloud cover. And the cloud thickens overnight as it pushes northeast once again. The rain turns more persistent for Northern Ireland for a time, southern and western Scotland, parts of northern England as well. Showers continue in the far north. It's cold in Shetland, cold enough for some wintry showers at times, but it's a mild night elsewhere. Temperatures staying well above freezing, especially across England and Wales. Nevertheless, a dreary start for northern England, southern and western Scotland, Northern Ireland. A lot of cloud here, outbreaks of light rain and drizzle. Brighter skies further south, certainly a bit more sunshine compared to this afternoon. But for Scotland, it doesn't look like such a bright afternoon. Some heavy rain developing by the end of the day, and that rain pushing northeastwards as the day progresses. And you can see the brighter colours there on the forecast rain, showing the heavier rainfall coming through by the end of the evening across western Scotland and eventually the far north of Scotland. Outbreaks of lighter rain for northern England, parts of Scotland, more showery here, and further south again. Heading into Wednesday night, we're seeing clear spells for southern parts of England and Wales, but we're in a warm flow from the Atlantic, so it's not going to be a cold night by any means. Warm sector between a warm front and a cold front, and then later Thursday the cold front sinks southeastwards, introducing colder air across all parts for Friday, but with that colder air, brighter skies. Nevertheless, it's a bright start to the day for central and southern parts of the UK, some eastern areas as well on Thursday. A mild beginning, and then outbreaks of showery rain affecting northern and western parts of England, parts of Wales, as well as western Scotland. Turns increasingly cloudy for Scotland and Northern Ireland as this active cold front pushes in, and that's going to bring a short spell of heavy rain and gusty winds as it clears its way southeastwards. But it will introduce that colder air. So double figures on Thursday, I think, but turning colder by Friday, albeit with brighter skies and a few blustery showers. We'll keep you updated on all of that on social media. Bye-bye.